came like a July wind, hot and cool, dressed like a friend. Lit a match with just a glance and burned down everything I had. And I swore I'd keep you safe, but fire doesn't want a cage. You were wildfire, not a flame, not the warmth, just the place. I give you all, you took it whole, left smoke inside my soul. Now the trees still hate to breathe, but nothing green is left of me. They said you teach me how to feel, but all you did was scorch and steal. You touched my skin and disappeared, left only silence, ash and fear. And I still dream in red and gold, in forests where I used to grow. You were wildfire, not a flame, not the warmth, just the place. I give you all, you took it whole, left smoke inside my soul. Now the trees still hate to breathe, but nothing green is left of me. Some nights I miss the burn, just to feel that heat return. But love like that is never clean, it always leaves your roots on green. You are